Hi, in this video we will be talking about how to achieve your dreams and reach your full potential. Watch this video to the end to learn all about the power of the motivation. Welcome back to the motivation source. Achieving dreams requires more than just wishful thinking. It demands a motivation mindset deeply ingrained in one's approach to life. While dreams vary from person to person, the path to realizing them often shares common elements. In this exploration, we delve into the motivation mindset techniques essential for turning dreams into reality. Setting clear goals. The foundation of any successful endeavor lies in setting clear, achievable goals. Dreams, without defined objectives, remain elusive fantasies. By breaking down dreams into smaller, manageable goals, individuals can create a roadmap towards attainment. Cultivating self-discipline. Self-discipline acts as the bridge between goals and accomplishments. It requires individuals to prioritize long-term aspirations over immediate gratification. Cultivating self-discipline involves developing routines, managing time effectively, and staying committed to the pursuit of dreams even in the face of challenges. It empowers individuals to persevere when motivation wanes, ensuring steady progress towards their aspirations. Harnessing positive visualization. Visualization serves as a powerful tool in shaping the subconscious mind towards achieving dreams. By vividly imagining success and embracing a positive outlook, individuals can align their thoughts and actions with their desired outcomes. Visualizing the journey towards realizing dreams instills confidence, reduces self-doubt, and reinforces the belief in one's capabilities, fostering unwavering determination. Embracing failure as growth. Failure is an inevitable part of the journey towards fulfilling dreams. Instead of viewing setbacks as roadblocks, adopting a mindset that embraces failure as an opportunity for growth is crucial. Each setback offers valuable lessons and insights, propelling individuals closer to their objectives. By reframing failures as stepping stones towards success, individuals can cultivate resilience and tenacity, essential attributes on the path to realizing dreams. Seeking continuous improvement. The pursuit of dreams necessitates a commitment to continuous self-improvement. Embracing a growth mindset entails a willingness to learn, adapt, and evolve in response to challenges and feedback. It involves seeking knowledge, honing skills, and expanding horizons to become better equipped for the journey ahead. Continuous improvement fuels progress, propelling individuals towards their aspirations with greater efficiency and effectiveness. Surrounding oneself with supportive networks. No dream is achieved in isolation. It requires the support and encouragement of others. Surrounding oneself with a supportive network of family, friends, mentors, and like-minded individuals fosters a conducive environment for growth and success. Through collaboration, shared experiences, and mutual encouragement, individuals can draw strength and inspiration, overcoming obstacles and celebrating victories together. Maintaining resilience in the face of adversity. The journey towards realizing dreams is fraught with challenges and setbacks. Maintaining resilience in the face of adversity is essential for persevering through tough times. Resilience enables individuals to bounce back from setbacks, navigate uncertainties, and stay focused on their long-term objectives. By cultivating resilience, individuals develop the inner strength and fortitude necessary to weather storms and emerge stronger than before. Celebrating milestones and acknowledging progress. Amidst the pursuit of lofty dreams, it's crucial to celebrate milestones and acknowledge progress along the way. Celebrating small victories provides a sense of accomplishment, boosts morale, and rejuvenates motivation. It serves as a reminder of how far individuals have come and renews their determination to continue forging ahead towards their ultimate aspirations. The realization of dreams requires more than mere desire. It demands a motivation mindset fueled by determination, resilience, and unwavering commitment. By setting clear goals, cultivating self-discipline, harnessing positive visualization, embracing failure as growth, seeking continuous improvement, surrounding oneself with supportive networks, maintaining resilience in the face of adversity, and celebrating milestones, individuals can unlock their true potential and turn their dreams into reality. With the right mindset and techniques, the possibilities are limitless, and the journey towards achieving dreams becomes an exhilarating adventure filled with purpose and fulfillment. In the pursuit of our dreams, we often encounter moments of doubt, setbacks, and challenges that test our resolve. Yet, it is during these moments that the power of a motivation mindset truly shines. In this extended exploration, we delve deeper into the mindset techniques essential for overcoming obstacles, sustaining motivation, and ultimately realizing our dreams. Cultivating gratitude and positivity. Gratitude and positivity serve as catalysts for maintaining a motivation mindset amidst adversity. By focusing on the blessings and positive aspects of life, individuals can cultivate a mindset of abundance and resilience. Practicing gratitude shifts the perspective from scarcity to abundance, fostering optimism and enhancing overall well-being. A positive outlook enables individuals to approach challenges with a solutions-oriented mindset, empowering them to overcome obstacles and stay motivated despite setbacks. Embracing fear and stepping outside comfort zones. Fear often acts as a barrier to pursuing dreams, holding individuals back from taking risks and stepping outside their comfort zones. However, embracing fear and embracing discomfort are essential components of the motivation mindset. By acknowledging and confronting fears head-on, individuals can unlock new opportunities for growth and expansion. Stepping outside comfort zones fosters personal development, builds confidence, and cultivates resilience in the face of uncertainty. It allows individuals to stretch their limits, discover their true potential, and embark on transformative journeys towards realizing their dreams. Practicing self-compassion and forgiveness. In the pursuit of dreams, individuals may encounter setbacks, failures, and moments of self-doubt. During these times, practicing self-compassion and forgiveness is paramount. Self-compassion involves treating oneself with kindness, understanding, and acceptance, especially in moments of difficulty or failure. It requires individuals to recognize their humanity, acknowledge their imperfections, and extend the same compassion to themselves as they would to others. Similarly, forgiveness enables individuals to release resentments, grievances, and self-judgments that may impede progress towards their dreams. By letting go of past mistakes and embracing self-compassion, individuals can cultivate a mindset of resilience, self-acceptance, and inner peace, laying the foundation for continued growth and success. Engaging in purposeful action and persistence. Achieving dreams requires more than just wishful thinking. It demands purposeful action and persistence in the face of obstacles. Purposeful action involves taking deliberate steps towards one's goals, consistently and passionately, despite challenges or setbacks. It requires individuals to stay focused on their vision, prioritize tasks, and take proactive measures to move closer to their dreams each day. Persistence is equally essential, as it empowers individuals to persevere through adversity, setbacks, and temporary failures. By maintaining a relentless commitment to their dreams and refusing to be deterred by obstacles, individuals can overcome any challenge and achieve extraordinary success. Nurturing mindfulness and presence. Mindfulness and presence are essential components of the motivation mindset, enabling individuals to stay grounded, focused, and present in the moment. Mindfulness involves cultivating awareness of thoughts, emotions, and sensations without judgment, allowing individuals to observe their inner experiences with clarity and equanimity. By practicing mindfulness, individuals can cultivate a sense of calm, clarity, and inner peace, reducing stress and enhancing overall well-being. Presence, on the other hand, involves fully engaging in the present moment, immersing oneself in the task at hand, and savoring the richness of life's experiences. By nurturing mindfulness and presence, individuals can overcome distractions, stay focused on their goals, and unleash their full potential in the pursuit of their dreams. Cultivating a growth mindset. At the heart of the motivation mindset lies a growth mindset, a belief that intelligence, abilities, and talents can be developed through dedication, effort, and perseverance. Cultivating a growth mindset involves embracing challenges, viewing failures as opportunities for learning and growth, and maintaining a belief in one's capacity for improvement. It requires individuals to adopt a flexible, open-minded approach to life, reframing setbacks as temporary setbacks rather than insurmountable obstacles. By cultivating a growth mindset, individuals can unlock their full potential, overcome self-limiting beliefs, and achieve remarkable success in their endeavors. The journey towards achieving our dreams is a transformative odyssey filled with challenges, triumphs, and moments of self-discovery. Yet, it is through the power of a motivation mindset that we can navigate the twists and turns of this journey with courage, resilience, and unwavering determination. By embracing gratitude and positivity, confronting fear and stepping outside comfort zones, practicing self-compassion and forgiveness, engaging in purposeful action and persistence, nurturing mindfulness and presence, and cultivating a growth mindset, we can unlock our true potential and turn our dreams into reality. With each step forward, we inch closer to the fulfillment of our deepest aspirations, embarking on a journey of self-discovery, growth, and profound meaning. So let us embrace the power of the motivation mindset and dare to dream boldly. for the possibilities are limitless, and the journey ahead is filled with infinite potential and promise. Embarking on the journey towards our dreams is an exhilarating endeavor that requires unwavering commitment, resilience, and a motivation mindset. In this extended exploration, we delve even further into the mindset techniques essential for navigating the complexities of this journey and realizing our deepest aspirations. Cultivating patience and trust in the process. Patience is not merely the ability to wait but the capacity to maintain a positive attitude and sense of purpose while waiting. In the pursuit of dreams, there are often moments of uncertainty and waiting, where progress may seem slow or non-existent. Cultivating patience involves trusting the process, having faith in oneself, and believing that each step forward, no matter how small, brings us closer to our goals. Patience allows us to endure setbacks, persevere through challenges, and stay committed to our vision, even when the path ahead appears unclear. Practicing adaptability and flexibility. The journey towards achieving our dreams is rarely linear. It is filled with unexpected twists, turns, and detours. Practicing adaptability and flexibility is essential for navigating these uncertainties and adjusting our course as needed. It involves embracing change, being open to new opportunities, and letting go of rigid expectations. By remaining flexible in our approach, we can respond effectively to challenges, seize unexpected opportunities, and find creative solutions to overcome obstacles along the way. Fostering a spirit of generosity and contribution. True fulfillment comes not only from achieving our own dreams but also from making a positive impact on the lives of others. Fostering a spirit of generosity and contribution involves giving back to our communities, supporting those in need, and using our talents and resources to create positive change in the world. By aligning our dreams with a greater purpose, we not only enrich our own lives but also inspire and uplift those around us. Making a difference in the lives of others adds depth and meaning to our pursuit of dreams, fueling our motivation and driving us forward with renewed passion and purpose. Cultivating self-reflection and introspection. Self-reflection and introspection are essential practices for gaining clarity, insight, and self-awareness on our journey towards achieving our dreams. It involves taking the time to pause, reflect on our experiences, and examine our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors with honesty and compassion. Introspection enables us to connect with our innermost desires, values, and aspirations, guiding us towards a life that is aligned with our true purpose and passions. While the destination may be the realization of our dreams, the journey itself is where we find meaning, growth, and fulfillment. Embracing the journey involves savoring the present moment, finding joy in the process, and appreciating the lessons and experiences that shape us along the way. By embracing the journey, we can cultivate a sense of gratitude, contentment, and inner peace, knowing that every step we take brings us closer to the life we envision. Achieving our dreams is not merely about reaching a destination but embarking on a transformative journey of self-discovery, growth, and fulfillment. By cultivating a motivation mindset grounded in patience, adaptability, generosity, self-reflection, and joy, we can navigate the complexities of this journey with grace and resilience. Let us embrace these mindset techniques wholeheartedly, for they hold the key to unlocking our true potential and realizing our deepest aspirations. With each step forward, we move closer to the life we envision, guided by the power of our dreams and the unwavering belief in our ability to achieve them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the Motivation Source. See you next time.